Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. What do I mean by 30-minute? In case you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you want, you can go there and I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. Talked about this channel here, and we finally got our answer to who is going to win out in that battle, and the Bears won out today in quite a big fashion. So like I said, lots of updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere I look. So let's try to keep keep this as clean as possible from an annotation standpoint. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $21 was that area of support, and once the price broke down below it, you can see the price actually try to get back up above it, and surprise, surprise, perfect example there of a support now acting as resistance. So in any sort of continued bounce back to the upside, $21 is going to be that near-term level to watch. If the price can get up through there, then the next overarching level to watch will be that purple line up there, which is the 50-period moving average. So keep an eye on that. But at one hurdle at a time, and like I said, that first key hurdle there at 21. What about levels of support? Well, to offer up a little bit more context, the next overall level is just the very, very famous 200-period simple moving average. And on my chart is denoted there by that pink line, and that current value is at $18.81. That's one of those areas where even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that assuming you're bullish, that when the price is up above it, you definitely want to see the price stay above that level because that is the long-term trend indicator, and that's just the preferable situation to have. So keep an eye on that. It got somewhat close to it right there, but now the price with the upwards movement this afternoon separated itself that much more with it. But point being, 1880 definitely a very important level of support going forward. So let's see if the price can ultimately hold above it or not. If you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find great value in this live web class that I'm offering. It's totally free, so if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you go to claytrader.com/live or just see the link in the description area. Like I said, it is live, so there's a question and answer session. It's all very interactive. So go to that link, get signed up, and I'll see you there.